Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look into JAMB past question on physics. We have a question on resistance thermometer. The question goes in this way. The resistance of platinum wire at the eyes and steam points are 0.75 ohm and 1.05 ohm respectively. Determine the temperature at which the resistance of the wire is 0.9 ohm. Option A, we have 43 degrees Celsius. B, we have 50 degrees Celsius. C, we have 69.9 degrees Celsius. And D, we have 87 degrees Celsius. So at this point, you need to master as many formulas as possible. Because in JAMB, you don't need to waste time deriving formulas. First, we have to write down the parameters now. The resistance of platinum wire at the eyes point. They said at the eyes point. So, the resistance at eyes point. At eyes point, we are taking it to be R0. So, at eyes point, the resistance is given as 0.75. 0.75 ohms. And the steam point, we have 1.05. So resistance at steam point, the resistance at steam point, that's a 100 degrees Celsius point, we have it as 1.05 ohms. Now determine the temperature at which the resistance of the wire is 0.9. So the resistance to be found, the resistance at that temperature, maybe we have it R theta. So we are looking for R theta. So if you know the formula, you just work it out and get your answer. So from the formula, we have temperature at that given resistance. We have it as resistance at that temperature minus resistance at ice point all over resistance at 100 degrees Celsius minus resistance at ice point times 100 degrees Celsius. So with this very formula, you are good to go. So we now have to do the substitution. So the temperature we are looking for, resistance at that temperature. Oh, it was given. Determine the temperature at which the resistance of the wire is 0.9. So we have here to be 0.9 ohms. So at that temperature, 0.9 ohm is the resistance. So we have here 0.9 ohms minus here we have 0.75 ohms all over resistance at 100 degrees Celsius. We have it as 1.05 minus resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. We have it as 0.75 expressed in 100 degrees Celsius. So get your calculator. Now let's solve together. We have 0.9 minus 0.75. So here we have 0.15 all over. Then 1.05 minus 0.75. So we have here 0.3 times 100 degrees Celsius. So the temperature now becomes 0.15 divided by 0.3. We have here as 0.5 times 100 degrees Celsius. So if you multiply this together, you have the final temperature we are looking for. 0.5 times 100. We have 50 degrees Celsius as your final answer. So we check the one that rhymes with the option. So we have option B, which is 50 degrees Celsius. So if the lesson was able to help someone out there, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and turn on notification for others to learn.